How to view and back up previously recorded footage. First, right-click and select Video Playback from the Quick menu. This is the Video Playback menu. In the top right corner of this screen, you'll notice the calendar. Dates with recorded footage will show up as neon green. You can select whether or not you'd like to view a specific channel by adding or removing the specific checkmark. You can determine the type of footage that you'd like to search for by selecting the manual, motion, time, or alarm options. We're only going to be searching for time recordings. We can determine the specific time we'd like to search for by using the menu above the search bar. We're going to search between 3:30 and 4 o'clock. And we can begin playing that footage right away by double-clicking on the date we wish to search. The bar along the bottom of the screen shows when the footage was recorded. We can change how that information is displayed by selecting either day or hour. And we can skip around in the video by clicking directly on the playback bar. It may take a moment for your footage to load. After searching for files, you'll notice that the search window will populate. The search window will show the channel, beginning time, and size of the recorded file. You can double-click on any listed file to begin playing. If you found a file that you want to back up, double-click on the file and select the Backup option. You'll be asked to confirm that you wish to back up the file. If you wish to back up files, please ensure that a USB flash drive is inserted into the NVR.